If you're experiencing issues with Red Dead Redemption 2 updates getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. This guide will help you get back to playing as quickly as possible. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for downloading updates. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to stream a video. If your connection is weak, consider restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Restart the game. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and relaunch it. This can refresh the update process and may allow the download to continue. Step 3. Clear cache. Clearing the cache on your gaming platform can help fix update problems. For consoles, this usually involves turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting. For PC, you can clear the cache through the game launcher settings. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform, console or PC is running the latest system software. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with game updates. Go to the system settings and check for any available updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Red Dead Redemption 2. This will ensure that you have the latest version of the game and can resolve any corrupted files that might be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the update issue and get back to enjoying Red Dead Redemption 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.